Huff and Puff. And yes, I'm starting with the $5 bet. Oh, need the volume up. This has the same exact major, so I wanted to try it for 100. Oh, that was nice. $7. Come on, hats. We need six of those hard hats. I have more faith in the pigs than I do this game, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, we're gonna give it 50 more and then we're gonna run. That was nice. Oh, that's a little bit, yeah. Come on. That's good. Come on. We are almost out of our money. I am. Do it. Nope. All right, last one. Oh, no, we can do a couple more. All right, we got this one and one more. That was it, guys. $3.50 in, only $2.50 out. I'm still at $50 on the Locket Links. We'll see you later. All right, guys. I have that $251 ticket that I got off of Huff and Puff and piggy banking. I still have the $900 ticket from earlier from Price Strike. We're gonna play a little Emperor's Treasure. There's the progressive. We got a maxed out grand. Let me see if I can squeeze it just a hair more. There we go. All right, we're gonna start out on a 2-cent $2. Let's see if we can get something on this. Hopefully Vanessa will find me. I just texted her and told her where I was. So we'll see. The music is so loud upstairs. That's why I don't like to ever go live up here. But I can put music in if it's a taped video like this. So it's okay if I'm up here playing. All right, 2 cent is not doing it for me. Let's try the 5 cent, $2.50. Oh, there we go, 50 cents. Whopping 50 cents. Come on, we need 3 of those doors. And of course, 6 of whatever these are. Coins, I don't know what they are. Come on, doors. Oh, that should be good. $2.80. All right, that one's not hitting either. Let's go to our 10 cent. We'll do a $2.50 here. Nice. Come on. That's the first time the coins are even showing up. Hang on. All right, guys, I'm still on the $2.50 bet. Let's see if we can't get anything on the 10 cent. I'm only gonna do it for a little bit, then I'm gonna jump up to my 25 cent. We'll jump it. How about we jump it? We'll jump it right here. Well, no, that's gonna give me some. We'll jump at 170. One more. All right, we're going to that 25 cent. Come on. I would love a bonus. We haven't had one yet. Oh, that's good. $12.50. Oh, we got jacks for $2.50. Where's my bonus? That's my first coins on this denom. Well, that's probably good. $3.75. Got my bet back. Ooh, that should get my bet. Oh, that's double my bet back. Ooh, that's good too. Oh, no, it's not. $1.25. Wow. Okay, we'll try one more here. Oh, that's good. All right. I'm going to my dollar. We're going to do just a few. Down to 100. And then I'm going to cash out. We have breakfast in 20 minutes, right? 20 minutes? Yeah. Okay, come on. Oh, do it. Oh, do it. Nope, it ain't gonna do it. Ooh, enough for another one. All right, I decided to keep going, but I'm gonna try the 1 cent. Oh, this one has a 2. Let's try a 2. Oh, try a 2 and a 3. Oh, look at that hit. $9.75. Oh, do it. That's the most balls we've had the whole time. I can't do that. I can't do that. We're gonna do $3 and stay there. Because that noise will drive somebody insane. That is the stupid. There we go. Come on. Ah! Look at that. Look at these balls and 5. That is the dumbest thing Dollar Storm ever did, was make the denominations make that thunderstorm every time you change it. It's ridiculous. I'm so glad they took it out in the new one. Come on. Be kind. Give me a bonus. This one at least is teasing me. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit. Where are we going, people? Let's go to 10 cent 250. I don't know why. Thought it might do something. You're breaking my heart, Dollar Storm. You really are. Come on. Okay, that took a I'm on 250. Yeah. 250 bet. Come on, let's go. How about a mini for 100? Come on. There we go. There we go. Good. Nice. Come on, one more. Oh, don't stop. Oh. Shoot. Yes, stop. Wasn't great, but it was a bonus. We will take that. Thought you might give me a back-to-back. Well, at least you're being a little kind. the doors. Oh, we got some jacks. You know what? When I get to 50, I'm gonna try the $5 all the way down. Come on, one more. Yes, thank you. I upped it to the $5. Come on. Oh, don't you do it. Come on. Thank you. Nice, $20. Yes, thank you. Come on. Oh, don't be done. Did it again. Hey, that went bad. 85. 85. All right, we are at, what are we at? 115. Do what? Okay, I'll be there in just a minute. I'm gonna try the $1 for the last 100. See what happens. Yeah, me and Vanessa have breakfast at the Serrano Vista Cafe at 6:30. And right now it is 6:17. It's a short walk. Come on, one more door. Closest I've been on the doors. Oh yeah, that's good. 19. Yes, thank you. 2 more? No. Come on, one more before I go. Give me one bonus. Oh, do it. Nope, it said no. Come on. Oh, we only got 4 more. Do it. No. Oh, last one. Was it? All right, guys. We are still at 400, but that is it. All right, guys. I'm gonna play a little Roses and Riches. I like the 10-cent 250. Let's go for that. See if we can't get something. Let me pull that down a little bit. Ah, the button done hit. People. We need 3 of those. Oh no. We need 3. I know, and that's so cute. We need 6 of the bulls, or we need 3 of the roses. I like the 10-cent because you have more chances to with the lines. Come on, bulls. I've only got those. Oh, do it. I've only gotten those bulls a few times. Yep. Alright, they're all small. Come on, we need 1 bull. Well, no, we can get as many bulls as we want, but we need a bull. Come on, bull. There we go. Nice. They're all so little. Oh my Oh, another 2. Nice. Oh, another $2. Oh. Hey, but it's all adding up. That's good. Oh, we got a 5 now. I probably won't get one. Oh, come on. Give me one. Oh, man, $90. All right, I'll take it. Love a good Konami win. All right. Oh, and that button doesn't work. All right, let me do a few backup. And you know what? I'll do one more. There we go. All right, 100 in, 150 out. All right, guys, I played this one night in my live, and it was kind of fun. So I'm gonna try it again. Let me see. I think I'm gonna do a 10-cent, 250. Why not? Now, I don't remember at all what we needed, but I think I got a bonus on it. I don't think we ever got the VIP bonus. I'm pretty sure you need 6 of those. Come on, do something. Yeah, we need 6 of those. Oh, 3 more. Oh my goodness. Come on. I would like to get that. Money's going fast. We got 2 of those VIPs. I made 50 bucks on that other one. Yeah, but this one ain't going so well. I played this one night in my live. Oh, do that. Oh, we need it one more. Come on. Give me 6. Oh, those are those super links. I think they do something too. Oh, come on, little game. Oh. We are really doing really bad here. Oh, got it! Yes, and another super wheel. Yay! Okay. Yay! All right, come on. Oh, do it again. Oh no, last one. Come on. Oh, we didn't get any. All right, let me show you. Sorry. Oh, we got that super wheel, whatever that is. Okay. I don't know what this does, but let's see. $50. I'll take that for sure. Oh. All right, and then a 5. Hey, we got $65. Woo! I'm a winner. All right. Hey, that was kind of cool. I'm telling you, I think it's 7:30. That's what it was the other day. All right, we'll play a couple more because I'm still under what I put in. Put in 100. Let's do one more. I want that VIP bonus. What is that? What is a VIP bonus? You might know. The mini and the minor high on this thing. 500 for the minor and 100 for the mini on the 10-cent. Oh, do that. Aw. Oh, what do we do? Oh, those turn into wild. Hey, that's never happened before. Oh. We got 2 of those again. Come on. Hey, $15. Oh, that she's got to be good. 50 cents for her. She's not good. Oh, do it. Oh, 3. Let's do VIP. No. I don't know about this game, guys. I really don't. Come on. That VIP thing must be really hard to get. Oh, we got it. We got it. We got it. We got the bonus. I've never had this. Okay. We got it, guys. I don't know what we do, but let's see. Okay, we get 8 free games. All right, let's go. Please be good. Maybe you can give me the bonus and the bonus. Come on. Ooh. Oh, you got to get 3 of those VIPs to get re-trigger. And then we need 6 of those numbers. How many spins we got left? 5. Come on. All right, got 5 spins left. I'm gonna hit it. Oh, sorry. Come on. I want to hit it so bad it's taking forever. Come on. I want the numbers. Oh, 2 more spins. Oh, that's good. Keep going. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, we only got 4. All right. Hey, 63.20. That wasn't bad. I've been wanting to get that bonus. Well, we saw it. Oh, look at all those VIPs. Nothing else. I'm going to cash out with $50. Oh, give me those numbers. Oh, that's good. 320. Last one. All right, guys. That was Super Wheel Mania Link.